In the traditional recipe for tartiflette by Big Rob Lochon in the 1980s, you're going to cut some nice lardons with the bacon, slice some very thick strips, and turn them into some massive lardons. They will lose a lot of volume while cooking anyway. You will then also them on medium heat preheated until they start getting browned like this. Once they are browned as fuck, the fat will be rendered and they will be very sexy. You need to make sure you're on medium-low heat to get a very homogeneous orange color. You will then put your lardon into a dish and use the fat from the bacon to cook your potatoes directly onto it. You will then grab your Rob Lochon and you will make sure to remove the wax stamp. You could actually eat it, but it's going to make a green stain on your tartiflette. Then slice it in half in the middle by rolling the knife around like this. Because the cheese is very stringy, it is actually very hard to slice in half in the middle. Check this out. I literally cannot unstick it. Therefore I will grab another knife to cut it away and separate it. This is sticky as fuck, which means it's going to be tasty as fuck. Then slice one half into little cubes, which you will immediately put into a pot. You can scrape it against the side because it's sticky as fuck. Then you will flip your potatoes one by one like this. They have to be golden as fuck. Check this out. You can put a smidge of butter, which is going to brown very homogeneously, and take your potatoes to the next level. If you remain on low heat, you will have a slight bubbling like this, and the butter will not burn. Once your potatoes are cooked, move them to the side, but you will actually first put some garlic at the bottom of the pan. You rub it on the side like this to give some garlicness into the dish. Then you will grab more fucking garlic. You will mince little onion real quick, and you will sweat it in the fat of the bacon. It is also the fat of the potatoes with the brown butter. And you will put some white wine into the cheese, and you will mix it very homogeneously. Once your onion is getting sweated, you will add your bacon in the middle. Mix it very homogeneously, and press all the shit ton of garlic. Mix it very homogeneously, and after cooking for a minute, you will put one layer of onion on top of one layer of potato. Then you will take your cheese sauce, you will pour half of it in the bottom on top of the onion, which is going to fill the gap. Then you do a second layer of potatoes, which you cover with the rest of the onion and the bacon. Spread it all around very homogeneously, and you might notice your sauce starts thickening, which is actually better. Spread it very homogeneously, and actually you should pull it to the sides like this, so it acts as a protective layer, because you will put your second half of Rob Lochon exactly in the middle. Try to cover the bacon a little bit so it doesn't burn, and after baking for 20 minutes on 200 degrees, check this out. It is golden as fuck. It kind of looks a little bit like cheese, therefore I should probably do it in another dish. The cheese has crusted completely on the top, and the inside is very much hydrated by the cheese. I thought this would do a much better cheese pool, but I guess the cheese is too cooked, which is not optimal for the stringiness, but it is still very fucking delicious, although it looks like vomit. You can remove the crust on top of it and eat it like chips. Now listen to the sound it makes when I bite into it.